Best PoE switches simplify installation, power devices reliably, reduce cable clutter, and ensure stable connectivity for IP cameras and smart home systems. My today's video is about top 5 best PoE switches for IP cameras and smart homes that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at 6O-Link 8 ports PoE plus Ethernet switch. This 10-port PoE switch delivers a strong balance of performance, convenience, and reliability for both smart homes and small business networks. With 8 PoE ports and 2 uplink ports, it easily connects IP cameras, NVRs, and routers while maintaining stable 10/100 Mbps speeds across all ports. The IEEE 802.3 AF/ compliance ensures wide compatibility, even allowing non-PE devices to work seamlessly. Using a splitter to standout feature is its 120W total power budget, with up to 30W per port, making it capable of powering multiple high-demand devices. The extended transmission range of up to 250 meters is particularly useful for large properties or surveillance setups. Its AI smart management adds another layer of reliability by automatically detecting power needs and restarting ports if issues arise, reducing downtime without manual intervention. The durable metal build, plug-and-play setup, and flexible mounting options make installation effortless. Overall, it's a dependable, space-saving solution for efficient network and power management. Now our second product is SteamMO PoE Extender. The SteamMO 1-in, 2-out PoE Extender is a practical solution for expanding PoE networks without extra complexity. It efficiently splits one PoE input into 2 outputs, delivering both power and data over a single Ethernet cable. Ideal for IP cameras and remote devices. Supporting IEEE 802.3 AF/ its standards, it auto-detects power requirements and provides up to 15W per port when powered properly. The 250-meter extension mode is a standout feature, especially for large surveillance setups, though it operates at 10 megabits per second in long-distance mode. Its plug-and-play design eliminates the need for external power, simplifying installation. Built with durability in mind, it offers 4 kV lightning protection and operates in extreme temperatures, making it suitable for outdoor environments. Overall, it's a reliable, cost-effective choice for extending PoE coverage, particularly in security camera systems where distance and flexibility matter most. Our third product is TP-Link TL SG1000 and 8PV4. The TP-Link 8-port gigabit PoE switch stands out as a reliable and efficient networking solution for modern setups. Featuring 4 gigabit PoE plus ports delivering up to 30W per port and a total 64W power budget, it easily powers IP cameras, access points, and VoIP devices, while the additional non-PE gigabit port ensures high-speed uplink connectivity. Its plug-and-play design removes installation hassle, making it perfect for both beginners and professionals. What truly elevates this switch is its advanced features like 802.1p/DSCP QoS and IGMP snooping, which prioritize traffic and optimize video streaming or voice performance. Essential for surveillance and smart home systems. Built with a sturdy metal casing, it offers durability and flexible mounting options. The fanless design ensures silent operation, ideal for home or office environments. Combined with IEEE 802.3x flow control for stable data transfer and a lifetime warranty, this switch delivers long-term performance and peace of mind. Now number 4, SADOLA 2-port PoE Extender 100 megabits per second. The SADOLA 100 megabits per second PoE Extender repeater is a practical networking solution designed to solve long-distance power and data delivery challenges in surveillance setups. Its 1-in, 2-out configuration allows a single PoE input to efficiently power and connect 2 IP devices, reducing cabling complexity and installation cost. Compliant with IEEE 802.3 AF/ its standards, it supports stable power handling up to 30W input and delivers up to 25W output, ensuring compatibility with most PoE cameras and accessories. The standout feature is its 250-meter extension mode, which significantly expands network reach beyond the standard 100 meters, making it ideal for large properties or outdoor monitoring, though it reduces speed to 10 megabits per second for stable transmission. Built-in 4kV lightning protection adds strong safety in harsh environments, while the plug-and-play design eliminates setup difficulty. Its compact, wall-mountable form factor ensures flexible installation. Overall, it's a reliable, cost-effective extender for long-range CCTV and IP surveillance systems requiring stable performance. And our last choice is MokerLink 8-port PoE Switch. The 8-port PoE switch with 78W power budget is a well-balanced networking solution built for reliable surveillance and small business deployments. With 6 PoE plus ports and 2 uplink ports, it allows simultaneous connections to IP cameras, NVRs, routers, and other network devices, making it highly efficient for monitoring systems. Delivering up to 78W total power with IEEE 802.3 AF/A compliance. Each port can supply up to 30W, ensuring stable operation for power-demanding devices. The built-in power supply simplifies installation, while plug-and-play functionality removes configuration complexity, making it accessible even for non-technical users. Its AI detection feature enhances reliability by automatically restarting ports when disconnections occur, reducing downtime. The extend mode is especially useful, pushing transmission distances up to 250 meters at 10 megabits per second, ideal for large-scale camera setups. Additionally, port isolation improves network security and stability. Encased in a durable metal body with LED indicators, it offers long-term performance for IP surveillance, wireless access points, and office networking environments. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.